welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uh, don't forget to support me with like, comment, share, and subscribe. Robinhood to face class action, a lawsuit from the main stock debates a report. The cryptocurrency and the stock trading platform Robinhood NASDAQ will allegedly face allegation of market manipulation as part of a class action lawsuit brought by investors in many stocks from 9 different companies during January 2021. Really, according to a Thursday report from Reuters, United States District Court Judge Cecilia Tonage of the Southern District of Florida released that investors in GameStop, Nike, CGNA, and 7 other unnamed AMC and 7 other unnamed stocks, which might include Nokia and BlackBerry, could proceed with a lawsuit alleging that Robinhood artificially increased the supply of stock. In January 2021, the price of several assets, including the meme token Dogecoin, rose to all-time high after Redditors on Wall Street pumped up interest in the current stock and cryptocurrencies. Robinhood suspended but later resumed buys of GMA stock and other following the asset rising exponentially, putting the trading platform in the middle of hike between retail investor and late hedge funds. Short stock 2% of user leave 1-star review or for Robinhood app on the Google Play Store. The platform could plan for an initial public offering in the US on hold, and the individual filed several class action lawsuits alleging Robinhood was kowtowing to the interests of the involved by the hedge funds give it stakes to Citadel and milking capital. Following the meme stock controversy, Robinhood was something the target of U.S. lawmakers looking for answers. CAO fled Tenef testified before a House Financial Service Committee hearing in February 2021, unrelated to the events around the meme stock. The New York Department of Financial Services also announced on the August 2 that Robinhood Crypto will pay 13 million penalty to the state for significant failures in the area of bank secrecy act or anti-money laundering obligation. Later, Robinhood acquires a British crypto firm Ziglo to pass expansion plans. Following the freeze of Robinhood financial results for the second quarter of 2022, Dennis said he planned to lay off 23% of the staff at him, saying the cutting of the uh, workforce down by 9% in April didn't go for enough to help the trading platform. At the time of publication, shares of the Hood are trading for a 10.59 users having risen by more than 26% in the last 13 days. Cointelegraph reached out to Robinhood but didn't receive a response at the time of the publication. Filers in the race of the bank secrecy, and anti-money laundering obligation. Well, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.